Now, Bhorlolo Ponosu, it is a sweet dish prepared out of ponsa patali batter. This is a long forgotten dish of the Konkani community. The bulbs of the Varika jackfruit or the Borko, as you call it in Konkani, is usually used in the preparation. You should also see that the bulbs should not be too much ripened or else you will not be able to stuff them. Moreover, the bulbs should be bigger with more space inside the bulb. I have used white jaggery, that's why it is light colored in the photograph. So coming to the preparation of Bhorlolo Ponos or stuffed jackfruit, and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. Ingredients: you need 10 numbers of de-seeded ripe jackfruit bulbs of Varika chakka, half cup raw rice, half cup jaggery. The amount varies depending on the sweetness of the jackfruit. 1/4 cup grated coconut and 5 to 6 cardamom powder and use, and ghee for smearing. Salt a pinch. So cut the bulbs just enough to remove the seeds. You should not tear the bulb into two separate pieces. Keep aside. Coming to the preparation of rice flour. Soak raw rice for 3 to 4 hours. Drain all the water. Grind it to a coarse powder. You need not add water while grinding. Then if you are using jaggery which is filled with impurities, then you have to boil it in water, sieve it, and then use. If you are using impurity free powder jaggery from the market, you can use directly. Then coming to the filling, mix rice flour, coconut gratings, jaggery and cardamom powder and salt well. The consistency should be that of ponsa patali batter or jackfruit ada. So add water as required. Keep it closed for 30 minutes. This is for the rice flour to absorb water. And check the consistency. Then fill the mixture into the jackfruit bulb through the opening which we have made to remove the seeds. Fill it tight. If you want, you can tie small threads to the bulb so that the filling does not come out during steaming. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the bulbs. After you have done this, done with the bulbs, smear idli plates with ghee and place the bulbs in the plate. Steam cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Once cool down, you can serve them. Bhorlolo Ponosu is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. In this channel, I will be sharing most of the Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. Please keep watching my channel regularly.